Good morning everyone. My name is Paakhi. Today I will make delicious avocado sandwich. The ingredients are 2 slices of wheat bread, 1 tomato which is plant-based, and again an onion which is plant-based, and of course an avocado. Then we have to take an avocado and smash it. Then put a pinch of salt. Then cut some tomatoes and pour it in. Then chop some onions and again pour it in. And now mix the avocado sandwich. Now put the spread on the bread. Now put the other slice of wheat bread on the bread. Now we have to